Hello friends. Welcome to my Civil Engineering Prep Cyclopedia channel. Here you will gain vast knowledge regarding the civil engineering field. Let's know what is environmental engineering. Definition: Environmental engineering is a branch of engineering that focuses on the protection of the environment and public health by managing and mitigating pollution, conserving natural resources, and designing sustainable solutions for various environmental challenges. Important aspects of environmental engineering includes 1. Water quality management. 2. Air pollution control. 3. Solid waste management. 4. Environmental remediation. 5. Environmental impact assessment. 6. Sustainable development. Hence, environmental engineering aims to address complex environmental challenges through the application of science principles, engineering expertise, and interdisciplinary approaches, ultimately contributing to the protection and preservation of natural resources and the well-being of both humans and ecosystems. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.